Yeah.
Hey guys, so today is Christmas Eve for me, and I just got done at school. We had a Christmas party at school, and yeah, I made this holiday drawing at school, and I made this bow tie, this Christmas bow tie for myself. And yeah, so let's go home and get ready for Santa Claus to come. I'm so excited. This is my first Christmas that I actually celebrated because I was too young to understand Christmas all the other years. Okay guys, so the second batch is done now, and this is the final batch, and like, look at them, I'm gonna try one. So yeah, time to try this cookie. Nom nom nom. Oh my god! These are delicious! Oh, okay guys, so we're gonna put the cookies and milk out, and we're also gonna put some carrots out for the reindeer. Okay, so we got the cookies. One chocolate chip for me, one sugar for me, one from Adam, blah, blah, blah. We got the milk. Wait! We forgot the carrots, right?
Yeah, let's go.
Why do we need carrots? For the reindeer, duh. Oh, alright. I can't get the fridge anyways, I'll just stay.
I got the carrots.
Yep.
Got it.
Wait a minute.
You drank the milk.
No, I didn't.
There's nothing in here.
I didn't do it. Puddin', is there milk on you? No. Are you burping? No. I'm sorry, I couldn't help it. I love milk. Puddin', go wait on the couch. Okay.
It's Longo.
Now we have to get more milk.
Juicy.
Okay guys, so it's nighttime now, and I'm going to sleep with Adam. So, see you guys tomorrow morning. It's the next day. That means it's Christmas. Whoa. So many presents. My stocking. Oh. Whoa, guys, I got a present from Santa. Holy, don't open it. No. Where'd it go? Whoa, I got muffins. Here, Adam.
Monster High?
Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna dump out my stocking. See what I got in it. Hey, it's stuck. There's something stuck. What? I got tuna, and I got more tuna, and I got putty, and I got a cube, and I got a tooth. Ew, I got a toothbrush, and I got a dog. I also got a gift from Adam. Whoa, it's a fish toy. What? This is so cool. Thanks, Adam. Okay, guys, so it's dinner time now, and I'm going out to dinner. And, yeah. Look at all the dinner. We have so much food, and I'm so excited to eat. Okay, guys, so I got my dinner plate. I got some ham, and I got a little bit of everything, and I'm about to dig in. And there's cranberry sauce, and nobody told me. Now I got a little bit of everything, because I got cranberry sauce now, and everyone else got their food. Even Mongo! Mongo, say hi! Mongo, say hi! Mongo! Yeah, he's recording too, so check him out on YouTube Monkey. And, that's, Adam's new kid, and, yeah. So we're halfway through dinner, and I look like an ugly watermelon right now. Yeah. So, hi guys. Did you get any dinner? And I ate like half of my dinner, and Adam is on like seconds for some stuff. And they got me a Pepsi. And I have a hole on the side of my face, and it's like a triangle one. Oh man, this is good. Oh, I ate so much food. By the way, guys, I made a whole song about paper. Yeah, I ate a whole piece of paper. Oh yeah. Oh, I don't eat paper, kids. Then you'll have to butter yourself. Okay guys, so now I'm having some hot chocolate and some cookies, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. And yeah, I'm just gonna eat my cookies and drink my hot chocolate. I can't reach it. Bye guys, and Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah. I'll see you on New Year's, possibly sooner. Bye, guys.